Hi guys, welcome to our channel Corporate Guide. I am Mopriya and your SME on Grails. This video shall give the audience an idea about how to install Grails in your Windows system. So let's start. At first you open any browser in your system, then search grails.org and then enter. Then you see this is our official website, Grails website. You see everything here, and then you see download latest version, which is 6.0.0. You just click on download. Now you get a zip file. At first you extract the zip file. Just right click on this, click on extract all files and extract files here. If you want to change the location, you can do. You just wait for some times. And now you see extracted folder are here. Just double click on this. Again double click on this Grail folder and then click on bin folder. Now you copied the location path, so you go to address bar and here you right click on this, click on copy address, then minimize all things and then go to search bar and here you search edit the system environment variables. Now you see the pop-up window. Here you click on environment variables, select path area and then click on edit, then select new and here you paste the copied location, then click on OK, again click on OK, then click on OK and finish. Then open the command prompt for searching Grail version. Now you here write the command like Grails space hyphen version and then hit the enter and then see Grails version, which is 6.0.0 and also see JVM version, which is 20.0.1. So in your system Grails installation are done. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel, which I Corporate Guide, to get the latest learning materials.